So today's activities, we are going to be putting in some Schroth Clubman harnesses into the Z4. So obviously we've got the buckets in there at the moment. I need to whip this one out, it's only holding by 3 because just been getting moved about and whatnot. But I'm going to hop in. They've provided a very handy dandy guide on how to fit these things. So we're going to follow that and we're going to get them fitted. What I'm working out at the moment is trying to work out which one goes where. From what I can see, this one here, the FOA main and hologram label is on that left one, which is what I've got in that position. And then the other one, which has just got the FOA label, is on the left hand side. So by the look of it, the ASM strap thing is on the right hand shoulder. But yeah, right, let's try now. The next step we're going to be doing is getting these suckers fitted. Lovely demonstrate here. So essentially following this sequence that you see. So it wraps around, under and over. I'm not going to try and pretend that this is something that I'm very proficient at. I'm just going to show you how I'm following the instructions. So we can both and all can learn together. Very annoyingly, I am missing one of my eyelets. I don't know where it is. I have a strong suspicion it's inside, but what you see there, I need to look like this, and it doesn't. So I'm going to take this one inside. I'm going to see if I can find the bit that I need. Oh, what Day 2 of trying to fit these harnesses. I wasn't having a massive amount of luck last time. It's freezing cold now, so this is going to be fun. But anyway, see what we can do. Oh, that's going to hit the gimbal, and away we go. Right. Right. Right, get them to the same length. I'm actually going to reduce them down by about, let's say like 3 inches, I want to say. The reason why I'm going to such extreme lengths to get these the same length is because I want the logos to be in the same position either side. If I don't do this, it will look rubbish. Right, there we go. So, which is left, which is right. That one is left side. Right, so we're saying right now, so you need to go in through the back like that. Essentially bring it taut, as it were. And then what you do is you go, so you see this like this, it's really hard to explain, do that like that. So you fold over, so flip it over, you then go back through the hole that one comes out of, pull it tight, or tightish. You then go back over the buckle, or through the buckle on the same side, like so. It's probably the bit where I'm going to want to have it relatively tight, isn't it? Yeah. And then last but not least, you go, so rather than just going straight back through, you go over and then you go through this second high up one. So you've just come underneath there, you wrap it over and you go through like that, and then voila. So yeah, so that's that one done. Right, let's do this one. So around the back. So, oh, in around the back. Under and over. Pull she tight. Oh, oh bugger. Right, pull that one tight. Oh, my legs are hurting. Folding it back under and through, like so. And then coming over on top and going back through like so. And that ladies and gentlemen, is how you do some harnesses. In about the same position. Oh my god, my legs! Oh god. Right, so those now, they look pretty square. Look at that! How good's that look? Oh, you can't even see it on there, can you? Right, let me grab you for a second. Oh, not the bloody camera, that's going to do it some good. Look at that! All nice and tied up, as you like. Looking lovely. What a result. Next steps are I need to go grab a seat from inside. Last video that I did, a little bit earlier on, I cut because I was missing one of the eyelets. Oh, that's now on the car, on the seat. So we can now plonk them in the car. We've fixed the harnesses now, so they're all good. And yeah, it's just about putting it in the car and getting it all clipped in. But yeah, happy days. We're getting there. I don't think I'm going to be doing the other seat just now. I'm still waiting for the other seat mount and sliders to come for the other side. At the moment it's just permanently fixed, but it rubs on the door too bad. So yeah, we're going to give it a try and we'll go from there. When it comes to doing the lap belts, when you take these out of the packet, they'll be already attached to the right hand side of the seat. All you want to do is make sure is that this longer tab here that you can see, so shorter up here, stubby, longer down here, you want that to be pointing towards the seat, so you don't want it pointing up in the air. So then when you come to release it, you just do that. Happy days, and that's it. I feel like a flight attendant when I do that. One thing that I will do is I'll pre-attach this on now to save the aggro once it's in the car. So they just clip on like that. Very, very simple. And the other one, this one's going to be a bitch to do once it's in the car. So when it comes to attaching these on, what you do, you poke it through the hole, your bayonet fitting like there, and then you clip it into position like so. And you have your lap belts fitted. Cool, let's get them mounted in the car. One thing to mention, so the lap belts obviously are going to be different for everybody depending on how horizontally challenged you are. Obviously I am quite horizontally challenged, so I'm going to need a bit more room than some other folk, but that's fine. It's just been Christmas, who's judging? Anyway, right, cool. I think that we are nearly there. We're nearly there. Bump. Bow. Boop. My goodness, is there a better combination? Let's take a look, shall we? Let's take a look-sees. Is there a better combination? The Macaros and Schroth harnesses.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.